Thank you for joining us in this video where we share about Consumer Health Complete. The database is geared for the average person seeking health information. No medical background is needed. It offers the latest medical and health-related information in an easy-to-use way. The information contained is from reliable and credible sources. However, remember to always partner with your healthcare provider for any personal health-related issues. To start, head over to pioneerlibrarysystem.org to access the database. Click on Online Learning Resources, and then Research and Homework, and there you'll find the Consumer Health Complete. When you perform an initial search, for example, fitness, you can begin by entering terms in the search bar. Or you can search using one of the 8 categories. Let's choose a report and see what it looks like. This is especially helpful in breaking down the type of information you might be seeking. Perhaps you want an in-depth report on the topic of fitness. So we go to the evidence-based reports and let's select cardiac stress test. The report is automatically included in HTML full text. Links are provided by the organizations that helped with the study, as well as other resources on the similar topic. Perhaps you want magazine articles or the latest news featuring this topic. We just go back to the top, select our tab for news and magazines, and they'll direct us to the type of information we are seeking. Functional fitness, feel good, move well workouts. We'll select the PDF full text. Back on the home page, in the upper right-hand corner, you are able to look at an alphabetical list of medical diseases, conditions, or procedures for which Consumer Health Complete provides information. As you can see, this list is very extensive, showing how well-rounded and helpful this can be for a variety of medical and health-related needs and issues. Quick Find allows you to quickly search by topic. Let's search for back pain. The results for the conditions show a report that includes a concise summary, a list of therapies, and where to find more information on the topic. Additionally, on the sidebar is a list of the 8 resource types that you can click on to see related information. Further, read articles found in several healthy lifestyle magazines and publications such as American Fitness, Women's Health Advisor, and Popular Science. To find more health-related and popular magazines that can be read digitally, don't forget about Flipster. As you can see, Consumer Health Complete supports much of your health and wellness information needs. This database offers broad health and medically related topics in an easy-to-access, easy-to-understand way. Explore this and other helpful databases through the Pioneer Library System.